Hey, I'm Hlomla. Welcome to my channel. So today we are talking about all things natural hair products. I am giving you your natural hair starter pick. Of course, it's up to you to figure out your own hair and how your hair responds to certain products and what routine your hair would prefer. But I'm here to just give you an idea of where to start. Just in case you're wondering why we're just talking about natural hair so much, it's because I listen to my people. And most of the people that are sliding in my DMs and most of the people that actually comment on my videos are people who want to see more natural hair videos. So if you would like to see more of something from me, leave me a comment or slide in my DMs. I am definitely going to leave a link to my Instagram in the description box. Yeah, description. So we're going to do this in sections. Let's first talk about shampoo. First, you need to either shampoo or do a clay wash or something to just remove the buildup from your scalp and your hair and all that. Depending on how much product you use, you probably have a lot of buildup. So personally, I shampoo every single time I wash my hair, which is most likely weekly, but sometimes life and you can't get around to wash it that week, a certain week, so maybe I'll wash it after 2 weeks. But I try to wash my hair every week. So shampoos that I've tried the ORS shampoo. I unfortunately don't have it right now. I've tried it before. That's what I used to use before I started the whole natural hair journey thing, taking care of my hair better and all of that. I used to use the ORS shampoo, and then there was nothing wrong with it because, like, shampoo, you don't have high expectations for shampoo. I hate it when people go like, oh, the shampoo made my hair feel so conditioned and soft, and a shampoo is just supposed to clean your hair. So right now I have been using this one. It's the Supreme Salon Performance with Vitamin E. I bought it by mistake, actually. I thought I was buying Tresemme, and it happened that I was buying this. It's cheaper than Tresemme, by the way, just in case you're wondering. Or sometimes when I don't feel like using a shampoo to clean my hair, I use this. It's Bentonite Clay. This you just mix with apple cider vinegar and water, and you just lather it onto your hair and you leave it on there for like 20 to 45 minutes, and then you wash it off, and it's just like shampooing. It also cleans your hair and makes your hair feel really, really clean. So you might want to try this as well. I would recommend it as well. It makes your hair feel really good, but be aware though that your hair might not like it, because I know my sister tried it and she told me that she didn't like it. Like, her hair was not crazy about it, whereas my hair on the other hand really loved this stuff. But for a person who's just starting out, just buy a bottle of shampoo. So the second thing that you're gonna need after shampooing, you need to detangle. Detangling conditioners that I would recommend. Number one would be Tresemme. I do recommend it. I'm not crazy about it because I have to use a lot for it to actually have slip. Like, I have to use like a lot. So that's my main problem with this. I don't like things that run out quickly, but I don't use it every time I wash my hair, so at the same time. I would recommend it if you're into detangling conditioners, but I would suggest, if you're starting out, I would suggest that you just skip the whole detangling conditioner part. And I know you're going, what conditioner do you use then? I'm gonna come to that. Okay, we're still talking about detangling conditioners. Tresemme, I do recommend it. I've tried it. The only one I've tried is this one, the breakage defense one. That's why I'm saying maybe that's why I'm not like crazy impressed by it, that because I've only tried one of them. So I'm thinking maybe I might repurchase it, but like purchase like a different one. Another detangling conditioner you could use is this one right here. I would definitely recommend this. It's the ORS Olive Oil Replenishing Conditioner. This one, I've heard people saying it's like also a deep conditioner, but I used to use it to detangle, and I would leave it on for like 20 minutes after I detangle. So You could get this too. Instead of getting a deep conditioner and a detangling conditioner, you could get this as well, you know. You need something. By detangling conditioner, I think I didn't get into that. A detangling conditioner is for when like your hair is wet and you want to remove the knots and the shed hairs and all of that. Some people choose to do it while their hair, like right before they deep condition. Some people do it right after they deep condition and they don't use detangling conditioner, but instead they use maybe styling cream or whatever. Number 3, the third thing that you're gonna need, like I said, it could be the second, depending on whether or not you want to keep things simple. If you want to keep things simple, you want to get yourself a shampoo and this deep conditioner. You want to get yourself a deep conditioner. Trust me, that one you don't want to skip. I recommend it all day, every day. Okay, I recommend it. My favorite, okay, I wouldn't say my favorite because I haven't used that many. I kept the container because I just finished it a few days ago and I knew I would film this video, so I just kept the container. But the one that I've used is this is the one that I've used. It is Auntie Jackie's Curls and Coils Coconut Cream Recipes, the Cocoa Repair Coconut Cream Deep Conditioner. Like, since it's like I haven't tried that many deep conditioners, I don't know whether to say I love it or I just like it, you know. But I would recommend this deep conditioner. I'm actually gonna repurchase it. Second deep conditioner that I've tried is this one. I don't know how I feel about this, guys. First thing that bothers me is the smell. It has this really strong smell. Like, if I use this, even though like afterwards you rinse it out, you use styling creams, you use oils, like it has this really strong smell. And personally, I don't like strong smelling hair products because I don't want to walk around smelling like conditioner. It's the original's hair mayonnaise. It's for weak, damaged hair, blah 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 blah. I'm not saying it's really bad in terms of the way it works, but I just don't like the fact that it is like extremely fragrant. Like, okay, so after deep conditioning, now you need to style your hair. Usually people start off with leave-in conditioner, and I've only ever used 2 leave-in conditioners until I realized that you don't really absolutely need it. Then okay, leave-in conditioners that I've tried Dr. Miracle. Yes, Dr. Miracle's leave-in conditioner, and I liked it, but it's not affordable. They give you this really tiny bottle and it's really expensive, so I wouldn't repurchase it. I never repurchased it. I only ever used it once. I never used one bottle, not once, one bottle of it. I wouldn't repurchase it. Like, I'm okay with it. Another leave-in conditioner that I've used is this one. This I tried because you know, there was that whole craze about Cantu in South Africa, la. So I wanted to try something by Cantu, and then I tried this because it was like, I don't know why I went for the leave-in conditioner, but I've had it for a while, so a little goes a long way. You already know that. But like, it's not like amazing or anything like that. It's like really good, but I wouldn't use it to judge the whole Cantu line. Maybe Cantu, it does have a couple of things that are really good that I haven't tried, but this is the only thing I've tried by Cantu. That was the 4th thing, right? Yeah. Leave-in conditioner is number 4. Number 5 that you're gonna need is a moisturizer. A moisturizer. My favorite. I need it in my life. Ever since I tried it for the first time a while ago, I never stopped purchasing it. I don't know how many I've gotten through. It is this right here. Auntie Jackie's Curlala. Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Curlala. Defining curl custard. It is defining. It makes your hair soft. You don't even need the leave-in conditioner when you got this, okay? You don't even need it at all. I would definitely recommend it. If I was told I couldn't use any other hair product in my life ever again, and I only had to pick one, I would pick this. And I'm pretty sure if you've watched any of my hair videos, you've seen that every video, it pops up. And Jackie's this is my holy grail product right here. this is it. I use it all day, every day. Okay. Another thing that you're gonna use is an oil, because after you use your moisturizer, you want to seal in the moisture with like an oil or a butter, or I don't know, whatever. So personally, I love, you know, y'all know this. I use Shea Butter. Shea Butter, this is a mixture of oils. This is a Shea Butter mix. I do have a video. I'm gonna link it in the cards and also leave it. No, I'm just gonna link it in the cards. Yeah, I'm gonna link it in the cards. A video to how to what oils I use in my Shea Butter mix and what oils you could use in your Shea Butter mix. Okay, another oil that I've tried to seal in with is this, guys. I've tried this olive and clove oil therapy by Ultimate Organic Therapy. No. I don't have a problem with the oil itself. My only problem is the smell. Like, it is also very, like, it has this strong fragrance. Like I said, I don't like it when hair products like smell, like have this strong smell. It's not necessarily a bad smell. None of them actually smell bad. It's just that it's really strong, you know. For instance, my favorite product like Anti-Jackie's and my Shea Butter mix, they are fragrant, but like they're not such strong smells that like it just overpowers just everything. It's just like you can't even smell your own perfume anymore, you know what I mean? So like, I wouldn't recommend that oil if you're like me and you don't want hair products that have a strong smell. Okay, now that I think we've covered around about most things, now we're gonna recap what's in your starter pack. In your starter pack, if you're a person like me, okay, not necessarily like me, I like trying new things, but I also like trying to keep it simple. You need a shampoo, okay? Like I said to you, I recommend the Supreme whatever, because shampoo is just supposed to clean your hair. I also recommend the ORS shampoo. I would recommend it. And then you need a deep conditioner. I use Auntie Jackie's Coconut Repair Coconut Cream Deep Conditioner. You know, it's a mouthful, but I recommend that. But if you do know of other deep conditioners that you've used and you would like to recommend to anyone else, please do comment down below. Comment down below, please. Yes. You want to skip the leave-in if you want to keep things simple. So you want to use the curl defining custard, which is your Auntie Jackie's, and then you want to seal it in with an oil. I haven't used any other curl defining custard actually. I am going to be trying new things. There are times, however, even though I like to keep things simple and I don't, you know, use a lot of stuff, there are times whereby maybe when I'm going home, say I'm going home for a week, I know I won't have time for my hair when I'm home. So what I do is I use this leave-in conditioner, I use this curling custard, and then on top I use the Shea Butter. The reason why I do that is because for me, that combination right there, my hair stays moisturized for a week. And then for a whole week, I don't need to go back into my hair, trying to put moisture in again, you know? So my hair stays moisturized. So that's for times when I know that I'll be too busy to go back again. Otherwise, when I just use the curling custard and the Shea Butter, what happens is, I'm not saying it's bad. Like, it still stays moisturized for a long time, but not for a whole week, you know? If you have been natural for a very, very long time and you have tried a lot more products than I have, and there are a lot of products that you feel like you would recommend, please leave me a comment down below and recommend them. Hook a sister up, you know? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so that you're notified every single time I post a new video.